The Commission, through its investigations and compliance department, is conducting independent investigations into utterances attributed by the following persons: His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, former Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya; Cabinet Secretary Honorable Aden Duale; Cabinet Secretary Honorable Geoffrey Ruku; His Excellency Paul Nyongesa Otuoma, Governor, Busia County; His Excellency Dr. Ali Maalim Mohamud, Deputy Governor, Mandera County; Honorable John K. Waluke, MP, Sirisia. We are an institution that believes in the due process, believe in the law, and the procedures that we have as a commission. So until someone raises a formal complaint, especially from our people, it puts us in a very awkward place, because we don't know whether the clip that has been sent is AI generated. So we have to be sure that it is a legitimate complaint that has been sent to us. So until that happens, we take our time to be sure of what we are doing.